In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Zoom Scheduler extension to your Chrome browser effortlessly. This simple guide will have you up and running in no time, allowing you to manage your Zoom meetings with the ease and convenience that only a Chrome extension can offer. We'll begin by navigating to the Chrome Web Store. You may be wondering how to get there swiftly. It's really straightforward. You simply open your preferred web browser, which in this case should be Chrome, and in the search bar, type Zoom Chrome extension. This quick search will direct you to the correct web page where you can access all Chrome extensions available. Once you land on the Chrome Web Store's homepage, the next task is to find the right extension. You're looking for the Zoom Scheduler, which is the official extension provided by Zoom itself. It might be tempting to click the first result that pops up, but make sure you select the right one to ensure all functionalities work as they should. The official Zoom Scheduler extension will assure you of seamless integration with your existing Zoom account. Now let's move on to the installation process where things get even easier. Once you've located the Zoom Scheduler extension, you should see a blue button labeled Add to Chrome. Click on that button, which initiates the installation process for the extension. At this point, you might be wondering what happens next or whether you've done everything correctly so far. Don't worry, because Chrome will guide you through any further steps automatically. The moment you hit Add to Chrome, a pop-up will appear asking for your confirmation to add the extension. This step is important because it's Chrome's way of ensuring you really want to add this particular tool to your browser. Click on Add Extension in the prompt that appears. This step acts like a safeguard as it legally allows the extension to integrate with your browser functions, making sure it operates effectively every time you need it. With this confirmation, the Zoom Scheduler extension will begin downloading and installing onto your browser momentarily. You're now all set with the Zoom Scheduler extension installed onto your Chrome browser. At this point, you might want to set some preferences, or even log in to make full use of the features. The process is all very intuitive, so feel free to explore any additional settings offered by the extension. Once completed, you'll find the Zoom Scheduler icon conveniently located in your extensions bar, ready for you to start scheduling your meetings with just a few clicks. Congratulations! You now have the Zoom Scheduler extension added to your Chrome, streamlining your online meeting scheduling process like never before. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides on improving your productivity tools.